The Huawei Pura 80 series is grabbing headlines once more, this time for pushing the boundaries in both hardware and strategic direction. Today's spotlight falls on two of Huawei's upcoming flagships, the Pura 80 Ultra and Pura 80 Pro. Both models are poised to revolutionize smartphone photography, with the latest leaks indicating transformative upgrades that could disrupt the mobile tech landscape. Let's begin with the Pura Ultra, the handset sparking widespread buzz. A reputable source on Weibo reports that Huawei is trialing a prototype of the Pura 80 Ultra equipped with a dual periscope camera configuration. That's right, two periscope lenses in a single device. If accurate, this development could mark a substantial advancement in smartphone zoom capabilities. Huawei has consistently been at the forefront of mobile imaging, and this innovation could cement its lead even further. Leaked renders show a rear camera housing featuring two distinct periscope telephoto lenses. Each sensor is reportedly 50 megapixels and employs an RYYB color filter instead of the conventional RGB. But why is that significant? The RYYB configuration replaces green pixels with yellow, enhancing light intake for brighter, more vivid shots, particularly in dimly lit settings. Whether capturing a cityscape at night or a moody interior, expect clearer detail and reduced image noise. Now envision this: two high-resolution periscope sensors with varied focal lengths. This would allow users to effortlessly transition between zoom levels, capturing everything from expansive vistas to distant subjects with pinpoint clarity. It's akin to having a professional-grade lens kit built into your smartphone. But is Huawei pioneering this technology? Not exactly. Oppo previously introduced a comparable dual periscope arrangement in its Find X8 Ultra, featuring a 50MP primary camera, dual 50MP periscope lenses with 3x and 6x optical zoom, and a 50MP ultra-wide shooter. It's already garnered praise for its zoom precision and color fidelity. Still, Huawei's legacy in camera breakthroughs remains formidable. The P60 Pro boasted one of the brightest periscope modules ever, capturing 288% more light than the iPhone 14 Pro Max's telephoto sensor. Later, the Pura 70 Ultra debuted a retractable telephoto mechanism, elevating zoom versatility even further. This rumored dual periscope system, therefore, feels like a logical evolution. Of course, it's still under evaluation, so its inclusion in the final Pura 80 Ultra isn't confirmed. Yet, given the leaked visuals and the leakster's track record, Huawei appears genuinely committed to this direction. And it's a savvy move. With the flagship market becoming fiercely competitive, Huawei must deliver something extraordinary. A dual 50MP periscope setup with RYYB tech could be the breakthrough they need. What's the benefit for consumers? Enhanced flexibility, improved zoom, better portraits, and results approaching DSLR quality, straight from your pocket. If executed well, the Pura Ultra could easily claim the crown for mobile photography excellence. But innovation doesn't end there. Let's pivot to the Huawei Pura 80 Pro, which is also set for significant improvements. Although it retains a 50MP primary sensor, Huawei is reportedly moving away from legacy suppliers like Sony and OmniVision. Instead, they're expected to partner with SmartSense, a rapidly growing Chinese imaging firm. As per Tipster Digital Chat Station, the Pura 80 Pro might integrate a new 50MP 1-inch sensor, the SmartSense SC5 ACS. If accurate, this would represent a pivotal shift in Huawei's component sourcing, supporting domestic innovation and reducing reliance on overseas suppliers. The previously speculated Sony IMX989 is already a top-tier sensor, known for superb light capture and minimal noise. However, switching to SmartSense could provide Huawei with tighter integration. And if the SC5 ACS delivers comparable or superior performance, it would be a significant win. SmartSense already plays in the high-end imaging space. Their cost sensors power everything from smartphones to automotive systems. Now, Huawei might become their largest smartphone client. While official specifications for the SC5 ACS remain unconfirmed, early leaks hint at larger pixels, superior low-light performance, and enhanced AI-driven image processing. Expect richer colors, minimal grain, and sharper images, areas where Huawei already excels, but now could exceed expectations. Complementing the new main sensor, the Pura 80 Pro is also tipped to feature a 12MP periscope telephoto lens. Though less dramatic than the Ultra's dual design, it aligns with Huawei's commitment to versatile zoom solutions. But it's not just the cameras getting an upgrade. Huawei is reportedly refreshing the display as well. The Pura 80 Pro may introduce a flat screen layout, deviating from the curved panel seen in previous iterations. This could improve visual sharpness, enhance color precision, and deliver a more premium overall experience. So, what are your thoughts on Huawei's dual periscope innovation and the shift to SmartSense? Could this be the move that reclaims Huawei's throne in smartphone photography? Share your views in the comments section. Give this video a like if you're excited, and make sure to subscribe for ongoing coverage of the Huawei Pura 80 series and other cutting-edge mobile tech. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next one. Subscribing to the channel would be sincerely appreciated.